Now let's see the question answers of this chapter. How did White Elephant help the forester? White Elephant carried the forester on his back and took him swiftly on the outskirts of the city. Why did the White Elephant's mother advise him not to help the man in distress? The White Elephant's mother advised him not to help the man in distress because he knew the ways of humans towards them. She knew that the humans would capture him and his goodness would be rewarded by treachery. Now, how did the forester respond to the White Elephant's goodness? Good deeds. The forester, along with the band of trainers, went to the forest and captured him and took him to the king. In this way, the forester gave reward for his good deeds. Now, why did the White Elephant refuse to eat anything in the palace? The elephant refused to eat anything because he was worried about his blind old mother. He could not eat anything when he knew that his mother would be starving in the cave without him. How did the king help the White Elephant? The king helped the White Elephant by giving him the freedom to return to his mother. Now next is the hot questions. Noble animal, your goodness put mankind to shame. Discuss the character of the forester and the White Elephant in the light of his comment by the king. According to the comment given by the king, the White Elephant was helpful, who didn't care, even listened to his blind and old mother and ran to help the forester who was in distress, whereas the forester was greedy, who rewarded his goodness by treachery and brought him with him the king's trainer to capture him. Now the life skill. Let us forget the treachery of the forester and think only the king's goodness. Discuss with your partner the importance of developing such a positive attitude towards life. We should appreciate the king's goodness because developing such a positive attitude towards life is very important for the survival of all living beings, whether human being or animals. A positive attitude helps people to deal more easily with the daily affairs of life, to avoid negative thinking and bring constructive changes, making brighter and successful life. Values. Imagine yourself to be the king. Deliver a speech to your countrymen highlighting the importance of love for animals and condemning man's cruel treatment of animals. Now the speech is: Good morning to respected principals, sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today I have got golden opportunity to say few lines on the importance of love for animals and condemning man's cruel treatment of animals. As we know, all living beings are a gift of God. God has made everyone equal. Love of animals and animal friendship is a feeling of affection that humans have towards animals. But many people do not believe that animals are capable of loving or showing affection. We are harming animals, hunting them for fun and eating them. But we should be kind to animals because they can't speak like us or express their feelings. Thank you. Okay, so see the format also. Okay, formal letter. What is the format? Sender's address, date, name of the addressee, address of the addressee, and salutation. And then is introduction, body, and conclusion. Then the closing and the name of the senders. Now we have got one letter writing in this chapter that we have to do according to the format I have given. On behalf of the mother elephant, write a request letter to the king pleasing for the release of her son. To the king, Benares, subject regarding release of white elephant. Your Majesty, my king, with due respect, I write you requesting for the release of my son, White Elephant, who went to help the forester who was in distress. My son's goodness was rewarded by treachery. I am blind, old, and could not even search food. I am all alone in the forest. My son is only who brings food for me and takes care of me. Your Majesty, I kindly beg you to release my son, otherwise I will die without my son. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Mother of White Elephant. So these are the notes. Okay, till then, goodbye.